Freshdesk reviews and product details. What is Freshdesk? Freshdesk is a cloud-based software application that enables any sized business to efficiently address their customers' concerns through the channel of their choice, which it then converts into tickets for a more streamlined and efficient way of applying solutions. Whether you're offering services or products, a strong customer service system needs to be in place so that your customers feel that their concerns are your number one priority. Freshdesk recognizes this need and offers the best solutions to help your customer service team address every incoming customer concern correctly and expeditiously. Omnichannel messaging. Freshdesk's messaging feature allows you to connect with your customers using the existing messaging apps today, such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, Line, and many more. Through the messaging app of their choice, Freshdesk allows you to build better customer service agent rapport, which in turn boosts customer satisfaction, or CSAT, and ensures that both parties are able to come to a resolution in the shortest amount of time possible. Additionally, Freshdesk messaging gives you the ability to create chatbots to provide resolutions for the more commonly and repetitive concerns that come through. This feature saves your agent from having to address frequently sent questions or concerns, thus freeing them to deliver resolutions to the more complex and complicated concerns that require a more extensive look. Robust ticketing system. With Freshdesk, incoming concerns from different channels are unified and funneled through one portal. What this feature does is streamlines all incoming concerns, categorizes them, and assigns them to the specific customer service team for resolution. One advantage of this is customer conversations are saved and therefore easily accessible to check for past concerns and resolutions offered. Furthermore, Freshdesk's ticketing system is built specifically for team collaborations. This eliminates the need to manually check which agent should get which ticket, thus productivity is elevated. Freshdesk's system also addresses ticket prioritization. This is achieved because tickets are efficiently filtered by a set of properties that recognizes which tickets need immediate and urgent attention. Freshdesk Contact Center. If your customers prefer a more personalized approach in dealing with their concerns, Freshdesk offers the Freshdesk Contact Center feature. Have one-on-one conversations with your customers from around the globe without having to purchase additional equipment, which are highly expensive and extremely tedious to maintain. On top of that, with Freshdesk Contact Center, all incoming calls are recorded, so they can be easily accessed to check the quality of customer support your team members are giving your customers. Further, this feature allows your workforce can do remote work without losing any access to tools and data needed to resolve incoming calls. Choose the service plan that fits best with your customer service support needs, and start taking care of your customers the optimal way. Sign up for free to find out more about the services offered by Freshdesk. Browse through their pricing page to see more of the features and benefits of each pricing plan. Also, Freshdesk offers add-ons to further help you customize the plan you choose. Thank you for watching. Click the link below to learn more about Freshdesk. Please like, share, and subscribe.